So this is our project site. Here's our plumber, Jack. Super Jacks. Lorenzo. His name is Lorenzo. Can you tell us, Lorenzo, like what you doing now, or like what job you have done now? Yeah.
Okay, so we've been called in to disconnect all the plumbing so the boys can come in and demo the kitchens. They're going to remove pretty much everything in here, and what's keeping them back is our plumbing's in the way. So we're going to disconnect, cap everything off, make sure there's no leaks when we turn the water back on.
Right.
And then the boys can come in and do their demo.
Yeah, so basically they are doing a decommission of the sink here and then the dishwasher, and they're capping it back.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah,
that's
easy
correct.
For tomorrow's tradies. So
Yeah,
they can
so
do
they
the
can just come in
demolition,
and just get straight into it.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
We said demo for the demolition.
Exactly, man. Yeah, that's true. Demolition, not
Demolition,
demolition.
yeah.
Cool.
All right,
Oh, well, I'm going to get back to work.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Cheers.
Lorenzo. Yeah. Also, we have an electrician with us. His name is also Jack. So he's here for the decommission as well. So, hi Jack.
Hello, mate.
First, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Yeah. Can you just tell us a little briefing thing? What you're doing now and everything?
What I've done initially was to come to the switchboard room where all the circuits are.
Okay.
And then I made sure that all the kitchen and affected circuits are disconnected. It's been previously labelled, which is good.
Okay.
So I've turned all those off just to keep everyone safe.
Yeah. So I'll just give a quick review, guys. This is the plan of existing electrical work, which is done by school's electrician, which we don't know. But when we are coming here to switch off, particularly for the kitchen, so we go through this plan, and he particularly switch off those buttons only, so no other classroom or any part of the building gets affected because of us, because of we are working there. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, pretty much. Thank you. We'll go to the classroom.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll put it here. Also, few work we have here. Jack, you want to explain?
Yeah, I've disconnected all the light switches and the power points and made sure there's no copper showing, just make it safe for all the other trades. Even disconnected the rain should, that'll get thrown in the bin. But yeah, halfway through disconnecting this kitchen.
I'll just ask Bill, can you show he's disconnecting the power points? The electrician came in the morning to decommission or what?
For the bathrooms, yeah.
Or he came in the morning?
Yeah, it was a different electrician, yeah.
Yeah, that's a different company actually.
It's good they did it at the same time.
Best. You should take the electrical one, the screwdriver. You can call me when you finish. Maybe I'll be just around somewhere.
Yeah.
Sweet as.